The countdown is on for the announcement of the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung's next full-size foldable. We are excited to see if Samsung is able to climb back to the top of the best foldable phones list now that its rivals are producing awesome folding phones of their own. The new Galaxy Z Fold 6 is tipped to feature a wider yet thinner design as well as a new Iron Flex display panel that should be more durable. You can also expect the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chip, which should bring better performance and longer battery life, and all the same Galaxy AI features on the Galaxy S24 series, plus hopefully some new ones. Here is all the Galaxy Z Fold 6 rumors so far. Samsung could also be working on other foldable, a more premium version that's reportedly a Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra. Tipster Max Zambor posted on X 3 model designations relating to the Z Fold series, Q6 referring to the Z Fold 6, B6 as the Z Flip 6, and a Q6A model. The latter could be Ultra model of the foldable, which would be an interesting addition given how Samsung could borrow some of the Galaxy S24 Ultra's unique features like a titanium frame, S Pen, and perhaps a larger 200 megapixel camera. Details about this Ultra model are still scarce, but we imagine that pricing concerns would be a major factor as to whether or not it comes to fruition. A separate Galaxy Z Fold 6 Ultra leak points to a specific model number for this new model, but it could be a limited release, with the phone only coming out in Korea. We are approaching the final months before the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6 launch, especially if the earlier than usual release date rumor is to be believed. What we have heard up until now suggests a phone with a set of solid, if iterative, updates. Whether that's enough to get people to buy one over the soon-to-be-reduced previous generation is another matter. A lot depends on how significant the AI tricks turn out to be in everyday use and whether Samsung has some big upgrade that we are yet to hear about. A lot can change between now and July after all.